Welcome to CAD and Sorcery, fellow designers. In this video, I'll show you how to reduce the rebuild time of your models by utilizing geometry pattern, an option you'll find in the Property Manager when creating patterns. Understanding how it works can really boost your performance, so let's break it down. Let me show you an exaggerated example to make things clearer. Here, we have a boss extrude, a basic circle, positioned using an offset from surface of 10 mm from this pink face, starting from the green face. Now, when we apply a linear pattern, not only does it copy the cylindrical geometry, but it also maintains that end condition, which is 10 mm from the same pink face. If I edit this feature, here at the bottom of the Property Manager, under the Options section, there's a checkbox called Geometry Pattern. If I check this box here and press the green checkmark, the patterned cylinders look different. They are no longer maintaining the 10 mm offset. That's because Geometry Pattern doesn't recreate the logic behind the feature. It just copies the faces and edges of the seed geometry. Keep in mind that Geometry Pattern doesn't work if the feature you are trying to pattern has merged faces with the rest of the part. Now that we know what Geometry Pattern does, let's test the impact it has. Let's run Performance Evaluation. With Pattern Geometry off, this pattern takes about 0.38 seconds. Let's turn Geometry Pattern and check the Performance Evaluation again. As you can see, it rebuilds much faster. That's because it skips recalculating the full feature logic for every instance. So here's the takeaway. If you're working with patterns with many instances, especially in parts that go into assemblies, enable Geometry Pattern. It can significantly reduce rebuild time and keep your models running smoothly. And that's how you use Geometry Pattern and how it reduces the rebuild time in your models. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more SOLIDWORKS content. I'll see you in the next video.